So the year has officially ended and now we have entered a new year 2025. Happy New Year everyone, and I wish you nothing but the best, and I'm sure this year is also going to give us a lot of opportunities, so please be prepared for that, because this year I expect to be a very volatile year which will give us opportunity both side, long side, short side. So we are going to grab each and every opportunity provided to us. So let's not waste any time and dive into the content right away, because as you can see, Bitcoin, after testing the support from this CPI indicator, our leading indicator, support from this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, support from this volume profile, has bounced back. But will this remain? I mean, will this bullish move sustain? Because if you look at this leading indicator for the month of January, this is our leading indicator which gives us information beforehand, and according to this leading indicator, you can see for the month of January we have printed an ascending CPI. Top central and the bottom CPI line is higher than the previous month, right, which only gets formed during uptrend. But here is the twist, guys. Despite this being an ascending CPI, there is a very high chance of a reversal, because the price has closed the monthly candle below the CPI trend line. You can see during uptrend, price tends to close above the CPI line, right? You can see here we closed the candle, the monthly candle, above the CPI line, which later on resulted in a bullish move. So in our case, this candle has closed, the monthly candle has closed below the CPI line, which is a warning sign. So in the medium short term, what could be happening here, since the price is choosing a trend direction without touching any of this trend line, we might see a move like this, test around this January CPI, and then head towards the original trend direction, towards the first target for the month of January, which sits around 86,800. Yes, guys, despite this being an ascending CPI, since the monthly candle closed below the CPI trend line, I am actually expecting this bullish rally here in the medium short term turning out into a fake out, and price after that could be heading towards the monthly S1 line for the month of January. Why? Because parallelly, even this rising wedge scenario is pointing us weakness. I've been very clear with you guys. According to this rising wedge, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted in between 85,000, and only after that choose an actual trend duration, because despite this rising wedge, a bearish continuation pattern, even the indicators to the downside are remaining bearish. I have been very clear with you guys. We have to see this RSI appearing around the oversold area and MACD forming a bullish cross like this to say that now we are prepared for a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery. But unless we see RSI appearing around the oversold area, MACD forming a bullish cross, we are going to remain skeptical, which could be also resulting in a move like this. I mean, after a small relief rally towards the CPI trendline, price heading towards the original direction in between 85,000, because beside this rising wedge, even this head and shoulder pattern pointing us 85,000 could be on the line, because price of Bitcoin is forming an head and shoulder pattern, a bearish continuation pattern. So once the price loses the support which we have around 90,000, you can see this head and shoulder scenario will come back to life, which could be preparing ourselves for a continuation here in this manner before choosing an actual trend direction. So you can see, looking in the different time frame, looking at the different scenarios, despite Bitcoin printing an ascending CPI, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after a small rally to head towards the original trend direction, because that's also the price opportunity from this rising channel, ascending channel, or bear flag. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that since the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could be showing a move like this, right, a small relief rally, but please do not get confused. That might be just a temporary relief rally, and price after that is expected to head to the downside following this distribution schematic from wake of event and phases. So what must happen here in the medium short term for an actual bearish continuation pattern to play out? We have to break below 90,000. As soon as the support around 90,000 gets broken, please be aware. In that case, we might see a free fall type of movement, which could bring the price of Bitcoin easily in between 85,000 range. But now, even more concerning is this monthly candle. I just showed you with this CPI indicator, monthly candle closed below the January CPI, which is a sign of weakness. And now if you simply look at this monthly candle, this December monthly candle looks like a shooting star candlestick pattern. A shooting star is a reversal candlestick pattern that forms after an uptrend. It has a small body with a long upper shadow and little to no lower shadow, indicating a potential trend reversal because of strong selling pressure. So if this here is going to result in a continuation because it's a shooting star in a monthly time frame, then you can see, guys, yes, this bearish continuation pattern could be playing out before choosing an actual trend duration. So what I'm expecting here, I am actually expecting price of Bitcoin to get attracted towards this monthly Williams alligator indicator, which could bring the price of Bitcoin again around 85,000 before choosing an actual trend duration. So you can see, looking at the different time frame, looking at the different scenarios, a rally in the medium short term doesn't mean we are bullish. Please be aware, for an actual bullish breakout, we have to break above 100,000. As long as the price remains below 100,000, any sort of a rally, any sort of a bullish move will be just a temporary bullish move, and price after that is expected to head to the downside. So please be aware. I don't want you guys to fall for any false breakout. Wait until certain line of support or resistance gets broken before jumping into any trade. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye and happy new year.